What's up, guys? Here's the rebuild of my 22-gallon long. This is what it looked like before I pulled out the hardscape. All the BBA all over these rocks. For a full breakdown, I linked it up here. Also notice all the major growth of my Rotella Blood Red and Orange Juice Crip Lucens that you'll notice I'll reuse later. And here we go.
Okay, let's go.
I started off by using lava pebbles to create height. Cleaned up around the edges. Then I needed some larger lava stones, which you can actually purchase at a hardware store. So now adding the Sirius stone to my foundation, realizing it was only pushing the height I needed down. Mariah, my awesome wife, mentioned, hey, don't you have mesh bags? So now transferring the lava stone to the mesh bags so they won't flatten and move when the weight is added. Played around with the angles quite a bit until I was satisfied with the outcome. I'll take this opportunity now also to basically give you my idea of a 3-island river-style scape that will have my white cloud mountain minnows, rainbow threadfins, pumpkin shrimp, and eventually tail spot pygmy corridoras. So stay tuned till the end of the video for the before and after shots. Not only do I have a goal of creating a new scape to share, but also to share a step-by-step aquascape. I know how overwhelming it can be starting from scratch and having so many ideas and questions. There are many times where I learn from mistakes and trial and error. Now that I have my stone placement done, I'm going in with a little tidy up before my next step. Here you'll see me sprinkle ADA additives. They help jumpstart and stabilize a new aquarium ecosystem. Next is the tropical root tabs, which I added to the foreground where aqua soil is lacking.
Okay, let's go.
Now time to add the main nutrient layer of neosoil. Basically adding the soil where I need most height and where most plants are going to be planted. These that I'm showing now are basically the nutrient capsules that come with the neosoil bag. This angled cup that I'm using is amazing for getting into areas that are hard to get at.
Go.
Now doing a full capping of everything with the coolest pool filter sand I've personally seen.
Okay, let's go.
The last process before planting is adding my manzanita branches.
Okay, let's go.
What you'll see me doing here is using liquid super glue and Instaset. I'm doing this to make sure the branches don't float when I add water, so I'm gluing main contact points to my stones. And time to plant. And first up, Alternathera Reneki Mini. Is that Blixa? Yes, it sure is. And then, of course, Sturgeon repens. And, of course, Hygrophila penitafida. And here are all the trimmings of the Rotella Blood Red and Orange Juice. This is from the beginning of my video where I showed the growth. And the second bag there is the Crip Lucens. Watch as I plant and notice the wet paper towel I place over each section as I go along to ensure the plants don't dry out. I also mist tank water over my plantings as well.
Okay, let's go. 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 Okay, let's go.
Now that the planting is complete, time to fill the tank. I'm doing it like this right now because I'm adding old tank water back into the tank before I start adding tap water. And I use Sechem Prime to dechlorinate. And I'm so excited, guys. Here's the review. Here's the full view, guys. Before, after.